right, I've broken free from my Celtic music roots, but that doesn't mean I've stopped playing music. Matter of fact, I've been writing in kind of a frenzy lately, kind of going back to my roots of songwriting and the stuff that got me into it in the first place. I'm working on an album right now. It's going to take a while because I'm doing it myself. But this is one of my newest songs, and I thought I would just kind of link it out there. Just me and my guitar. Show you what I've been doing lately and how far I've deviated from the playing jigs. And hopefully some of my skydiver friends will recognize this story. It's a true story. "16 hours in my home-built plane, scud running, puddle jumping, chasing the rain. It's gonna be a race to the ground with the setting sun." About 8:30 when I broke my mind, I cracked under pressure of Canadian kind. I guess I never learned to say no, eh? Some days it just don't pay to get out of bed. Some days it's a bed of roses instead. They say you better never let it go to your head, and I say nay. Just don't blame it on the rain. My shoe wasn't broken, but my foot came untied. The king stripped me naked and he called for a ride. When molehills and mountains collide, better hide. Now all the king's horses and all the king's men, they couldn't put Maggot back together again. The jester asked me if I could rely on my friends. That depends on what time the party ends. I rolled all weekend in that stolen chair. Couch freaks evaporated opiate air. If it wasn't for that heroic pair, I might still be there. So if you get to thinking you'd be better off dead, forget the bullshit Milli and Vanilli have spread. You gotta get that ugly notion out of your head and your brain. Never blame it on the rain. I went home with an angel and woke up in hell by a pill-popping preacher with a kidney to sell and a witch with a recliner from hell. Swell. Some days it just don't pay to get out of bed. Some days it's a bed of roses instead. They say you better never let it go to your head, and I say nay. Just don't blame it on the rain. 8 more hours in that homebound train, going inside out of my mind with pain. When it pisses on your perfect parade, don't blame the rain. So if you're ever thinking you'd be better off dead, forget the bullshit Milli and Vanilli have spread. You gotta get that ugly notion out of your head and your brain. Never blame it on the rain. Just sound advice all the way around.